Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. The Sibongile and the Dlaminis famous actress Luyanda won't be coming back for season 2, you guys. I'm sure some of us are well aware of that. She's not coming for season 2 on the Sibongile and the Dlaminis show, and she's reportedly replaced by Unontsigelelo Mthiane. Now, guys, everyone has been speculating, wondering why Luyanda is not coming back, why Sibongile is not coming back to the show. And obviously there was rumors or there was things being said ukuthi Sibongile or Luyanda uyazibona, and that yeah, basically that she was the drama. But she put something on her Instagram stories which I think gives a little context to why she's actually not returning for season 2. Watch this, guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
I started thinking to myself, man, what did he do to make them niggas that mad? And I started thinking to myself, man, what did he do to make them niggas that mad?
So basically, guys, from the videos that you guys just saw, Luyanda basically captioned the first video that you put up, "Stop asking me why I'm leaving the show. Y'all don't know what I went through." And then that first video, she puts a caption again that says, "An old actor told extras that she's faking being sick," meaning that Luyanda was faking being sick on set when she was on oxygen mask or on oxygen and she could barely breathe. So she's basically debunking that whole narrative yokuthi yena bekazitshela. She's basically saying she was sick, and one of these old actors on the show goes ahead and tells the extras that basically she's faking everything. And then on the second video that she actually put up, she basically said, "Me, when they said I'm full of myself and difficult," which was what was said, you guys. She said, "Me, when they said I'm full of myself and difficult, when I didn't go to the watch party. Meantime, I was in hospital watching the full episode with my grandmother, who was basically DYING. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. Who was basically DYING of cancer." So she's basically saying she could not make it to the watch party, meaning that the first episode that premiered or that showed of the Sibongile and the Dlaminis, they normally go to a watch party where they go sit together and watch the first episode together. She said she could not make it to that one because her granny was basically in hospital and she had to be with her granny. And the fact that she could not make it, people were like, yeah, Ella, she's full of herself and she's basically being difficult. Then the last video that she put up with that guy that's laughing there, she says, "In Latongo's famous words, ezami nizozizwa ngami," meaning that whatever happened with her, with the whole production and her leaving the show, she is one day gonna tell her own story and her own way in her own time. So that's it, you guys. To me, it seems like Luyanda was working in a toxic environment and people were just not understanding her situation. And because they did not understand her situation, they judged her to be difficult, they judged her to be unnecessary and all the things that was being said. But she's basically saying, nope, it was none of that. But you know what? One thing I am glad about, I am glad that she chose to put herself first, you guys. And sometimes when you are a small actress or when you get your breakthrough with being an actress, it's really hard to leave a show because people are so attached to you, like the Sibongiles and the Dlaminis. I feel like it's not going to be the same now that Luyanda engasekho, you know. But I'm happy that she chose her mental health above all things. She is flourishing already, you guys. If you check her Instagram page, she's booking work, she's doing well for herself. So you know what? It's not like Ukelu Zolamba. So we are proud of Luyanda girl. We're saying go and soar your wings. And you know what? We know you're going to kill the additional roles that you're still going to have. We will see. Let us give the new Sibongile a chance. and see how she does in season 2 of the Sibongiles and the Dlamini. Please do like the video. Please tell me, what did you think of this video? Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.